My name's Anirudh, and today we're making a marble run maze. This is what I have so far, and these are all the supplies you need. Some cardboard, a cardboard box, and a pair of scissors.
You also need a ruler and some marbles. And to plan it out, you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil, because if you don't plan it out, you'll just mess the whole thing up. So let's start.
The first step is to plan out your maze on a piece of paper with a pencil. Next, you'll need to measure how long you want your pieces to be. Then, you're going to cut it out. So pretend this is a ruler. This is the little piece. This is one of the pieces. And then cut it like that. Next, you need to put glue, some hot glue, on your piece. Oops. And if you're younger than 6, make sure you are under parent supervision. Or even if you're not under 6, you're older than 6, make sure you're still under parent supervision. So this is where I glued mine, right here. Now let's glue another piece. Now we're going to glue a third piece on. Bye! Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!